Most traders look for breakouts.
In this video, I will show you how easy it is to install and use the Stock Breakdown Detector, a master breakdown scanning system built to detect weakness before the crowd sees it. It also screens for crypto, silver, and gold breakdown.
Most traders look for breakouts. Stocks about to shoot up like a rocket.
But the biggest money is often made when things fall apart.
Look how easy it is to install. You just download the zip file, unzip it, and then you go into the unpacked folder. Here you look for the run.command file if you are a Mac user or the run.bat file if you're on a Windows machine. But now I opened the README file so you can see that you have a lot of info and instructions here to dig deeper into the program when you need it, or if you experience issues when trying to run the program. For TradingView users, you also have this Pine script file included for free, which you can add to your charts to help nail the entry. But here you have the actual file you really need, the run file. Just double-click it and the program does the rest. This is how the program operates in real time. This isn't sped up or edited in any way. This is actually how fast the program runs, and this example is running on a 5-year-old Mac Mini M1. As you can see, the program generates a report in a browser window that contains all the information you need, presented in a clear and easy-to-understand way without any fuss. The higher the composite score, the better. ACN got 95, which is a really strong sign things are going south for this asset. Since I'm from Sweden, I've naturally included Swedish stocks in the program, but you can easily adapt it to your own domestic market. However, this requires a subscription to Claude Pro. If, on the other hand, you just want to run the program as is, you don't need Claude at all. The program is written in Python, the same language that all AI models use to perform the mathematical calculations required to pass all benchmark tests with flying colors. Okay, so the best bet is the ACN stock. Let's look at it in TradingView, which is one of the most popular charting program out there that traders use. Let me just copy the ACN from the report and paste it into TradingView. As you can see, the Pine script for TradingView marked out a short position right before the market open, and if you had taken a short position there, meaning you bet on the stock going down, you would have made some nice money today. If you look at the 4-hour chart, you can see that the stock has been in a downtrend for a long time, which reinforces the report's conclusion to take a short position. As all traders know, something that is falling is likely to keep falling. That's why there's the famous saying, don't try to catch falling knives, because once they start falling, it can go on for a very long time. Trends are strong, so it's better to follow the trend than swim against the current when it comes to trading, and especially if you're a small fish. Only the big whales can turn the tide, so to speak. If you'd like to purchase the program, you'll find the download link in the description. It's available on Agency, a platform where you can download programs and skill files for Claude and other AI software that enables AI to actually perform specific tasks on computers. Go check it out. Retail traders, that's you and me, not the big sharks, are often focused on finding the next big thing to invest in.
But the biggest money is often made when things fall apart.